This video provides an overview of the ServiceNow user interface, introducing the main screen elements and taking a detailed look at the banner options. It applies to all users, though available options vary according to user role and access control level, or ACL, rules. Linked timecodes for these topics appear in the YouTube description for this video. Here, we're logged into our ServiceNow instance as System Administrator. The options available to you may differ from those shown here, depending on your roles and how your system is configured. The main screen elements are the banner frame, which appears at the top of every page and contains the logo, user menu, system settings, and tools. The application navigator, which provides easy access to applications and modules, and the content frame, which currently displays the system administration dashboard. Here are other dashboards we could view. Data displayed in the content frame can be in several formats, including lists and forms. The name of the logged-in user appears here on the banner. Clicking it displays the user menu, where we can log out or view or update our user profile. By default, Elevate Roles is available only to the system administrator user defined in the base system, but it can be granted to any role to require users to manually elevate in order to receive the privileges of that role. An open lock icon indicates that an elevated role is in effect for the current session, which lasts until session timeout or logout, or until the role is canceled, like this. Impersonate User is available to all users with the admin or impersonator role. It allows us to view the instance from another user's perspective, which is handy for testing and troubleshooting. Joe Employee has limited access, so let's go back to being System Administrator. Joe can't impersonate another user. This option is here because we're logged in as a user with the admin role, and we need to be able to get back to our own user menu when we're done impersonating another user. Clicking the Help icon displays contextual help, if available, in the Help sidebar. The badge on the Help icon indicates that Embedded Help is available, which provides targeted help content to the logged-in user for the current page based on role. We can also access other help options here. For example, we could view the user guide or search the product documentation. Global Search allows us to enter keywords to search the whole instance for matching records. As the search proceeds, the progress bar shows the current percentage of tables searched until the search is complete. The total number of matching records is displayed here. The current search terms appear here, where you can refine the search or enter new search terms. And if you need help, check the search tips. Note that Boolean operators must be in all caps. The system displays a partial list of matching records by search group and table, sorted from highest to lowest document score. Search results include only the search groups and tables that the logged-in user has access to by role. These correspond to the results summary on the right, which shows at a glance the number of matches in each search group and table. You can collapse search groups and click table names to display the associated preview list results. The system displays up to 10 matching records per table by default. Clicking a View All link launches a filtered list showing all the matches for that table. You can search for specific records by number and open them from the results list. And if we needed to discuss this record or any content with others, we could open the real-time messaging tool Connect Chat. System Settings is where individual users personalize the user interface for themselves in each of these categories without affecting other users. For example, our home is set to display dashboards, and our time zone is US Pacific. These settings address accessibility needs. Here, you can specify your notification preferences for system events that concern you, such as requested approvals. Don't confuse these settings with the global user interface configurations, which affect all users. Those changes can be made by users with the admin role here in the System Properties Basic Configuration module, UI 16 in our case. This is also where system administrators can change the logo and text that appear on the banner. Clicking the logo always takes us back to our home, which in our case is the latest dashboard we viewed. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community. For cost-effective training solutions, contact ServiceNow Training and Certification.